Yeah, shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Krishnakant. I have been working as a SAP consultant and also I'm willing to share my knowledge on SAP. Yeah, this is the best platform to discuss. That's why I chosen this online trainings. I train various persons and various batches and yeah, this is all about myself. Could you please introduce yourself?
So actually, I have completed my MC in 2008,
Yeah,
and
okay.
after that, I was working as an assistant professor in an engineering college from last 8 to 9 years.
Yeah,
And I have tried several times for taking the training of SAP ABAP from different modules, different channels, maybe from online and classroom. But the thing is that it will not able to convert into the job scenario
yeah,
because
yeah. Okay. Anything else?
nothing, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea on SAP?
Yeah, I have taking a training in SAP and SAP ABAP.
Okay. Uh, Now which module you want to learn? Hello.
So the thing is that please suggest me that what I have to do that so that it can be converted into a job scenario.
Yeah. Okay. We will discuss during sessions everything, and yeah, this is regarding all about SAP, complete SAP. It means once you finish this, you will get an idea which module it will be suitable for you. And
Okay.
if you new to SAP, better to learn ABAP first because ABAP is backbone of SAP. And even standard SAP also developed by the ABAP programming. So you can understand every application through ABAP. You are from MCA, so that ABAP is best for you. Yeah. Before we start with SAP, we should familiar with business process and ERP. I would like to cover in this session business process, ERP and ERP packages and SAP and SAP modules. Let us start. Business process in an organization. How will the business process in an organization nowadays? Let us see. If the customer want to purchase product, initially the customer will check or inquiry about that product. As per the customer request, the sales team will give a quotation to the customer. If the customer satisfied with this quotation, immediately the customer give an order to the sales team, that is purchase order. If once got the purchase order from the customer, the sales team will check with their stock whether stock is available or not. If stock is available, immediately they are going to deliver the product to the customer. Once the customer satisfied with the delivery, immediately they are going to pay the payments, that is billing at accounts team. This is all the business flow nowadays in an organization. Yeah, just we had discussed about business process. Now coming to ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Here, enterprise is nothing but huge organization, resources like material, manpower, machinery, money, and maintenance, and planning. Planning is nothing but proper utilization of resources. Let us take a simple example. How is the business flow in an organization with the help of ERP? We will take a wheels manufacturing company. In wheels manufacturing company, we have so many departments like sales and distribution, material management, finance, HR, production planning, quality management, and plant maintenance, and finally inventory. If the customer want to purchase 1,000 wheels from this manufacturing company, that is customer give a purchase order to the sales team. Then the sales team will check with their inventory team whether the stock is available or not. If the stock is available, immediately the sales team deliver the 1,000 wheels to the customer. If the customer want to purchase more than 1,000 wheels, for example, we can say 10,000 wheels. Again, the sales team will check with inventory team. whether the 10,000 wheels are available or not. If the wheels are not available at inventory, nothing but the stock is not available, immediately the sales team will raise the request to inventory management team for manufacturing the 1000 wheels as per the customer request. Then the inventory management update to the production planning team. The production planning team will check with again inventory management trigger for checking raw material. If the raw material available at inventory, immediately they are going to start production. Once the raw material is not available, the inventory management will update to the material management team for material request planning. Then the material management team will raise a purchase order to the vendor. Once vendor got the purchase order from the material management team, immediately the vendor deliver the raw material to the material management team. And then the material management team will update to the inventory management. We have raw material, and as along with the material management team will update to the finance team, because vendor will get the payment from the finance team, that is billing. Once the production planning team having the raw material, then the production planning team will start the production. Then they are going to manufacture the wheels. The production planning team will interact with quality management team for quality inspection of the wheels. Along with it will interact with plant maintenance regarding the plant operations like machinery maintenance, such kind of activities. And internally, these three teams, production planning team, quality management team, and plant maintenance team, will interact internally. Once product is ready, the planning team will give an update to the inventory management. Once the customer satisfied with this delivery 10,000 wheels, then immediately they are going to give a payable, that is billing, to the finance team. In this, finance team will take care of all the activities in this organization regarding accounts like financial matters, and the finance team will interact with HR team. Due to in this organization we have so many employees, for salary distribution they are going to interact with HR team, and here HR team will interact to all the departments in this organization. This HR team will take care of all the activities like manpower, pay slips, and everyday business activities. Like so, with this example, we can say easily. Now we can anyone say what is ERP? ERP is a single software with the collection of business modules such as SD, MM, PP, QM, etc. It can be perform the business activities in the organization. So simply we can say with the help of ERP, every department can easily integrated each other in this organization. So any department can update their status in that centralized system, that is ERP. Now coming to ERP advantages. Centralized system. ERP is a centralized system. It provides the strong integration between the different business or functional areas, and also it provides the correct information on time to take the business decision. With the help of ERP, we will give the on-time delivery and we will get the customer satisfaction. Yeah, we discussed about business process. After then, we discussed about ERP. Now coming to ERP packages. In this market, we have near about 150 ERP packages are available. Out of them, we are going to discuss few famous ERP packages. JD Edwards, famous for accounting software. PeopleSoft is famous for HR module. Siebel is famous for CRM, customer relationship management. Oracle application is famous for finance. Now coming to SAP. SAP is famous for all modules. So that's why SAP is the #1 ERP package in the world. Now, just we discussed about ERP packages. Now, coming to SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications, Products in Data Processing. Once again, I'm repeating. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. SAP AG Limited was the company developed in the year 1972 by 5 IBM ex-employees in a small town called Waldorf, Germany. So SAP is a German product. SAP developed a first product called SAP R/2 system in the year 1972. Later on, SAP struggled 20 years and developed another product, that is SAP R/3 system in the year 1992. Now, coming to SAP R/2. SAP R/2 system is the first product which is developed by SAP AG Limited. Yeah, SAP R/2 system runs on mainframes. Here, R indicates real-time, 2 indicates two-tier architecture. Its language is ABAP 4. Here, ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming for 4th generation. It's a language. You can see in this, we have two systems. Presentation layer installed in one system and application layer and database layer. These two layers are these two servers installed in second system. This is SAP R/2 architecture. In two-tier architecture, 3 layers are installed in 2 separate systems, right? Now, drawbacks of SAP R/2 system. One is cost. SAP is very costly product and the machines on which it runs are mainframes also very costly. And second one is two-tier architecture. SAP R/2 as two-tier architecture which will be slow down the business process. Now coming to SAP R/3 system. SAP R/3 system runs on client server system. Here R indicates real time, 3 indicates 3-tier and its language also ABAP 4. As you know, ABAP 4 stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. Here 4 indicates 4th generation of programming language. With the help of presentation, we will get an idea. In SAP R/3 architecture, we have 3 layers. System 1, System 2 and System 3. For 3 layers, we have 3 systems separately. System 1 is for presentation layer. System 2 is for application layer. System 3 is for database layer. In 3-tier architecture, all 3 layers are installed in 3 separate layers or servers. Now, performance of 3-tier will be faster if you compare with 2-tier architecture. SAP R/3 system is an integrated standard software which is designed to handle all the business management tasks. Once again, I am repeating. SAP R/3 system is a integrated standard software which is designed to handle all the business management tasks. SAP R/3 system handles all the business tasks with the help of business modules such as SD, MM, FICO, Finance and Controlling, and PM, etc. Now, features of R/3 system. It supports 23 languages as well as with their currencies and tax codes. And also it having more than 60 business modules. That it is database and platform independent. In the sense, it can be support any database like Sybase, DB6, Oracle, DB2, MySQL, etc. And GUI, nothing but graphical user interface. It allows to user to the access SAP functionality in SAP applications. With the help of GUI, you can design the push buttons and radio buttons and what kind of scenarios we have, we can design with the help of graphical user interface. Now, communication protocol. With the help of communication protocol, we can exchange the data, business data from one system to another system. In the sense, from SAP to SAP, SAP to non-SAP, non-SAP to SAP system. And common database. Already as we discussed, SAP RB3 system runs on client server. So it contains common database. For example, if the user enters the data in SAP RB3 system through one department, that can be easily accessible from another department due to of common database. As of now, we discussed about SAP, business process, ERP packages, and we discussed in detail about SAP. Now coming to SAP modules. In this, we have technical people, functional people, and techno-functional people. Under technical, we have ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming for 4th generation. It's a language. And WebDyn Pro and Workflow, PI, etc. We have technical modules. Coming to functional. In functional, we have sales and distribution, that is SD, and material management, that is MM, production planning, that is PP, and HR module, and finance and controlling, etc. we have. Now coming to techno-functional. So with the combination of technical and functional, we call techno-functional. BIBW with ABAP, ABAP with HR, ABAP with HCM, ABAP with MM, etc. we have. Okay. Okay. Any more queries?
Please do some things that can be converted, because I have picked by many institutes about that trainings, and they will providing me the training materials, and that we will provide you the EA scenarios and this that scenarios, and the thing will not able to convert for me. So,
Okay.
so I am requesting you, not for the I'm say anything. I'm requesting you to please guide me in such a manner that it will be converted in a job manner for me.
No,
Because from last 1.5 years I will trying for to get into the web, but I'm not able to get into that.
yeah, that's my job. If you can come regularly, definitely you will be placed within 3 months. I'm sure. I will provide the task in real time, what I have done in my experience. That scenarios will be sent with functional specifications we call functional spec, and I will give the best explanation for the functional spec with examples. And then project standards. I will explain the how we can follow the project standards. We will discuss in detail later. I will available at any time. You can call me and you can ask me any queries, and we will guide you